The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and today we're doing Tron. It's up like 5-6% right now. A lot of other stuff is in red, something is in green, but a lot of it is in red. But Tron is looking very good, so we're gonna talk about Tron. Let's get in the chart and see what's actually happening. And before we start actually doing any kind of technical analysis, let me just inform you that we have a Telegram group going on, and description is down in the description, or the link is down in the description, better say. So check it out. That said, let's see what's actually happening with Tron right now. So Tron has been in an uptrend since down here. I think this is on 4-hourly chart. Let's look at it on the daily chart. So basically around here, it started around 13 February, so it's been going for a month or so. It's been having a big pump over here since 1st of April, so little under like 12 days. So it's been having this big pump over here. Now it's consolidating over here in some kind of triangle, and we can see that over here it's been consolidating, right? And now it's I think now the pump is restarting. So yesterday we have this thing going on in the Patreon, our Patreon group, where we do altcoins, and Tron was one of those that we did. We drew this nice triangle, and we said it has to break on the upside if it wants to continue up. It did break on the upside. Also, you can see the moving averages over here. They are very nicely. It's sitting above all the moving averages. So when Tron was consolidating, it went all the way down to the 50 moving average, jumped back up, could not. It kind of went above the 20 moving average, the red line, and then follow it all the way down back to the 50 moving average. But it was the 50 moving average, this line down here, that actually managed to give it support, right? So it was giving support 1, 2, 3 times, and basically Tron figured out, yeah, that's the good support, let's move on. And after that, what happened? It went up. So we were in this triangle right now, and we are breaking the upside. We are above all the moving averages. And that's very good. So this triangle has played out, and it looks very nice. Let's see how this looks on the 1-hourly chart. It started pumping, it went down to the 20 moving average. 1 hour is not that important. We want to see what's happening on daily, and on daily this is ready to pump. This is so ready to pump. Number one, Tron is an uptrend. Number two, it went back to the 10 moving average on the daily chart. Number two, it pumped, it found support on the 50 moving average on the 4-hourly chart. Now it started pumping. This is a pullback before it actually blasts off. This just starts, so usually the price just pulls away, then it starts falling down to the moving averages, and start pulling moving averages after itself, right? So this pullback is very welcome to go back to the moving average, and it's gonna be pulling it back. This is super bullish. I don't know if you understand how bullish this is, but Tron is looking super bullish. It's looking super nice. So for continuation of this pattern, what I'm looking for, number one, it's already happening, and that's very good. This we have to break this level up here. So you can see here that we already broke the level, but we did not close it. So this candle on the daily have to close above 126. That's 126. Yeah, it's actually 128. 128. No, it's not 128. 126. Yeah, it's 126. So it has to close above 126. If it closes above 126, all of this mumbo jumbo down here, it's nullified. So basically it means that we are going further up, but it has to close. If it closes below, then you can expect next week, next day to maybe break, maybe. But the bullishness come from the breaking. So if you can manage to stay above 126 on the daily, it will be nice. So I'm not talking about this week. This week doesn't matter. In technical analysis, weeks do matter when drawing the patterns, but when you're looking at the horizontal resistances, weeks doesn't matter. So we want this full body to stay above this line over here. If it does that, we are very, very, very bullish. And after that, we have to cross, of course, all-time high, and get above this level up here. Wait, this level up here, 136. Is this all-time high? It's not all-time high, but it's pretty high. It's pretty high. Let's see if we got something for all-time high up here. Are there any resistance? No, that's broken. Weekly is broken. It's daily. Let's see the daily, because there is no weekly resistance there. I don't remember if let's see here if there is any daily resistance. Yeah, there is some kind of resistance up here. So let's draw the resistance lines right now, and we're gonna put them in blue color. Okay, we're gonna our resistance line are gonna be put in blue color, so you can see it. This is not that nice color. This is a very nice color. So we can continue putting this resistance line, and just to see where we can expect the price to kind of stop and like be like, hey man, what you doing, what you doing? So you can see here that we are consolidating actually inside the area up here, and you can see how nicely it's been going on. It tried to break the this blue line over here. It went back below the blue line, and then it pumped above it, then right back below it again, and now it's getting above it. So next target should be number one, staying above this level over here, but also breaking the 131 level. So basically all of these four are resistance lines, and we have to break them. So right now we started the day all the way down here at 121, but we have to break all of these four to move further up. And you can see the move up is gonna be pretty volatile. This is because between these lines there is no resistance, so it's gonna be pretty fast moves up here, up there, and up there. Now how is gonna do this? And after the all-time high there is absolutely no resistance, so God knows how far it's gonna go up. But these moves can be quite volatile. So this is only 24%. The next one is also 18%, and the last one is maybe 15, something like that, 10%. Yeah, 10%. So together they are, it's from the breakout of the all-time high all the way up to like 62% up. That's pretty nice gains. But I think this is gonna go. This is ready to go. This has already been going. It's been consolidating. Now it's I think it's finished consolidating once we broke the important line that was over here. We broke it, and we start climbing it above it. Right now also this triangle, top of the triangle is broken, right? So basically we are in the uptrend now. We are looking good. All of the moving averages are looking nicely. We are sitting on the daily moving average, and let's just check the weekly moving average. We are extended from the weekly, but nothing seriously. We had just 1 week of a small pullback or correction. Let's see how that played out. We went from 87 down to 82 on the RSI, which is perfectly fine. We have not been in any kind of overbought situation, so looking nice. So right now what I'm thinking right now is that this is actually looking pretty nice, pretty good. I have no worries about Tron. Let's see just how the daily MACD is looking. Let me see that. Looking good. And weekly of course looking good, but daily, this is for hourly. Sorry, daily we are not getting any kind of bearish cross or something like we did get here, right? So this is looks like there won't be any cross, and we will just continue pumping further up. So how long can you wait to start pumping? Well, technically I think it's already started pumping, but it's very early. Time horizons are very difficult to predict, but I think the move has started right now, up 5-6%, and I think it's gonna go. And once we break this this on daily, this target at 136, I think it's gonna go pretty fast up. And that's it, guys. If you liked the Tron technical analysis, we do actually Tron on our Patreon every day. We got this daily altcoin video going where we do like 30-40 coins every day. Tron is one of them. So we do tech analysis on Tron every single day, and we look at how he's gonna perform and what's gonna happen with it. So if that's your thing, you wanna see other altcoins, what I'm doing, if they are ready to pump or not, check out the Patreon page. It's also down in the comments. That said, subscribe to the channel, man. I'm not becoming PewDiePie without you. You know. Also like the video. It helps with the you know, with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.